In the world of STEM monsters, learning isn't confined to textbooks. It's a journey of exploration where every day brings new challenges and discoveries. Here, education comes alive through hands-on experiences that spark curiosity and fuel creativity. At STEMonsters, we believe in the power of hands-on learning. It's through doing that concepts are truly understood. Whether it's building a vehicle or designing a complex system, each project is a chance to apply knowledge in a tangible, meaningful way. Every project at STEMonsters is rooted in real-world application. Students aren't just learning, they are solving problems, addressing global challenges, and making connections between what they study and the world that they live in. This is learning with purpose. Curiosity is the cornerstone of innovation. At STEMonsters, we foster an environment where questions are encouraged and free thinking is celebrated. Here, students are empowered to explore, to wonder, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. Innovation thrives in collaboration. At STEMonsters, teamwork is at the heart of every project. Students learn the value of diverse perspectives, combining their strengths to create solutions that are greater than the sum of their parts. STEMonsters is more than just a program. It's a gateway to the future. Through STEM, students gain the skills and confidence to lead, to innovate, and to make a difference together. We are not just imagining a better world, we are creating it. Join us at STEMonsters, where education is an adventure and the future is bright. Let's shape tomorrow together through the power of STEM.